guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting. I'm doing a blush mark haul. This is the blush package right here. I'm super excited. It was supposed to just be a TikTok collab, but I did want to go ahead and do a haul for YouTube as well. So all you guys who don't follow me on TikTok can see what I got here on YouTube. So let's go ahead and open it. So here's my packages right here. I'm super excited. I'm going to go ahead and open them. So the blush mark, you guys can see. I want to rip the sticker. So we got here a little tank top. I'm gonna open it. Another tank top. I think this is like, I think I got like shorts or another tank top. I think this is a tank top as well. And then, oh my gosh. Well, I think there might be shorts and then another tank top. Another tank top. Oh my gosh, so many outfits. Another shirt and another shirt. So yeah, I just showed you guys how all of these look in their package still, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how they look out of the package. Okay, so they're out of the package. Here is the, oh, what is this? Oh, I think these are the shorts. It looks like this. Then I got a cute little shirt. Ooh, this might be like a crop top. Cute. Then I got another tank top. Oh my gosh, these are crop tops. I thought these were like regular size tank tops. Oh my gosh, I would be out here. Another pair of shorts. Another tank top right here. A gray tank top. A pink tank top. Another pink one. Thought this was cute. And another, I think this one is the skirt. Black skirt. So that's it for this haul. Thank you so much for Blushmark for sending me all these clothes. I'm super grateful. If you guys are interested in any of the pieces I showed you guys, there will be a discount code below in the description box. Let me know which was your favorite out of everything I showed you, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, press the notification button so you don't miss any future uploads, and also don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.